So this Dodge is kind of a fun one. So this was a tow-in. Originally thought it was a starter. Guy said he pulled over at a gas station, shut off the car, turned it back on, and it went and cranked. Nothing happened, just clicking. He got all of his lights on the dash, which, you know, called me. I said, hey, probably a starter. Have it towed here, and you know, we'll get the starter replaced. So, you know, that's all the backstory I had. Here's where it gets a little fun. So, tow truck driver picks it up, tows it to the house, and puts it here, looks up, and the car keeps rolling every time he takes it off, but the car was in park. So we pulled the e-brake, which it still pulled, and I got in it. I pulled the e-brake, which is still pulled. I seen that the car was in park, but the dash said he was in reverse. So then you come to the back of the car and you see it's an all-wheel drive. So they towed it 20 or 30 miles with the rear tires on the ground in reverse. So I came out here and took out the air box, which is just 110 millimeter, one push pin, and then just those two rubber grommets, which comes right here. There's your two rubber grommets, and you'll have this little cable right there pushed up on the bottom. You just slide it out. So anyways, I look down and I see shift cable completely broke off. So the reason why he couldn't start it wasn't the starter, is because the car was in reverse and you can't start the car in reverse. So that's what happened. That's where we're at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair this cable so we can hook it up and then put it wherever we need it to go and take it for a test drive and see what all they broke. Okay, so actually I did some digging and actually found the rest of it. So here's the old one. This kit that I bought comes with 4. It says it's for Dodge. It says it fits this vehicle, but it doesn't. So I'll have to do some more research. But yeah, the flat part will go down. It was in there like this, and it was on there like that. And here's the top plastic piece that connects right there to the top that holds it all together. So anyways, now I gotta find the right combination that will fit the cable and the lever. Not sure where we left off, but I'm going to be removing this box again, which I hope I showed you how to do that before. But if not, you're gonna figure that out. Trust me, you guys are smart. That's a very easy job. Now, in theory, I'm going to take this piece that's broken. It was just the end, but after I further looked at it a little longer, I seen that it was, this thing had a whole thing had a crack in it. Down there's some, I'll have to get those out. But anyways, so after talking to Dodge, they wanted $165 just for the part, but they can't get it, and they don't know when they can get it. So that out. What I did was I bought a cable off of Rock Auto, and instead of replacing the entire cable, save this guy a lot of money, labor-wise. In theory, I'm gonna take off this because it is identical to this one and just replace that. Factory bolt on top is an 8mm. It's very rusted. I'm gonna break out something stronger. Here's what that is. I see I grabbed it with the pliers because when I switched to the air tools, it's a lot more power, but you know, I don't want to, likes to rip and jerk. So now now what we're going to do is we're going to take the 10 millimeter, remove that bolt like so. We're going to slide this. The spring is going to push it out. You're going to want to, kind of hard to do this with gloves. The spring is, like I said, pushing it out. Alright, so what I did was, this is in the park position. I know because you pull it all the way to the front of the car. Now what you want to do is you want to set this plastic grommet, or the rubber grommet, onto the gear select, and then this is where the screw will line up. You'll know it. So you want to tighten this down as tight as it'll go. That way when you move it in to the other gears, which I will show you here next, it'll stay in this position. So this was actually fixed, save them a bunch of money with parts and labor, so it's a good deal. Now if it ever does go bad, we do got the extra cable. Alright, don't worry, I wasn't going to leave you guys hanging. We got a check engine light on, I'll check to see what that is, but car goes in reverse and it works. I don't hear any weird noises, or so that's good. Okay, we know reverse works now, so let's do drive. Went into drive perfectly. Oh yeah. I don't hear any abnormal noises, so yeah, hopefully this transmission and everything is still good. Seems like it's shifting fine. So I think I'm gonna call this one. I think it's fine. He got very lucky towing this vehicle 20-30 miles in reverse, but like I said, doesn't seem like it did anything wrong. So hope this video helped out somebody out there, and I'll see you next time.